Welcome, fellow seekers of wisdom, to another enlightening episode on Tranquil philosophy. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of Stoicism, unraveling the profound philosophy that empowers individuals to navigate life with resilience and tranquility. In this exploration, we'll delve into the 7 sacred domains of your life that Stoicism teaches us to keep private. But why is this crucial? Stick around, as we uncover the timeless wisdom behind each facet, guiding you toward becoming a true Stoic. Your path to inner serenity begins with mastering the art of guarding what's truly yours. 1. Inner thoughts and reflections. Let's commence our voyage with the intimate realm of inner thoughts and reflections. Stoicism, born in the corridors of ancient philosophy, underscores the power of self-awareness. The Stoics, like Epictetus, believe that the journey towards self-improvement starts with a keen awareness of our internal dialogues. By keeping these reflections private, we create a sacred space for genuine introspection. Imagine a garden of contemplation, flourishing with the blossoms of self-discovery. Sharing this garden with others may expose it to unintended elements, external judgments, opinions, or distractions. The Stoic principle of maintaining control over oneself aligns with the idea that preserving the sanctity of our thoughts is crucial for personal growth. Epictetus, with his Stoic demeanor, teaches us that true freedom lies in the mastery of our internal world. 2. Goals and aspirations. Moving forward, let's consider the second bastion of privacy according to Stoicism, your goals and aspirations. Seneca, a stalwart of Stoic philosophy, urges us to keep our future ambitions close to our hearts. While sharing achievements can be uplifting, the Stoics caution against externalizing your dreams. By keeping your aspirations private, you shield them from external scrutiny and influence, allowing them to grow organically within the fertile soil of your own values. Seneca's words resonate. It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. The Stoic mindset encourages a focus on personal goals without the need for external validation. Keeping aspirations private ensures they are shaped by internal virtues rather than societal expectations, fostering a truer sense of accomplishment. 3. Personal struggles and adversities. Our journey now takes us to the Stoic response to adversity. Stoicism teaches us to confront challenges with strength and resilience. However, it does not advocate broadcasting personal struggles to the world. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, wrote, "Very little is needed to make a happy life, it is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." By keeping personal struggles private, we align with this Stoic ideal. Sharing every battle indiscriminately can invite pity, sympathy, or judgment, potentially disrupting the Stoic pursuit of enduring hardships with quiet fortitude. In the sacred cocoon of privacy, one can confront and overcome adversity without unnecessary external interference. 4. Acts of kindness and charity. In an age where social media often serves as a stage for showcasing acts of kindness, the Stoics counsel a different approach. Seneca's wisdom shines once again, urging us to perform benevolent acts without the expectation of recognition. Broadcasting your charitable deeds may inadvertently shift the focus from genuine altruism to seeking external validation. The Stoic virtue of humility comes to the forefront here. By keeping your acts of kindness private, you adhere to the Stoic principle of cultivating virtue for its own sake, rather than for public acclaim. Picture the serene act of giving, free from the applause of an audience, embodying the true essence of Stoic generosity. 5. Contentment and inner peace. Stoicism, at its core, is about finding contentment and inner peace within oneself, irrespective of external circumstances. Therefore, the next bastion of privacy involves safeguarding your state of mind and emotional well-being. Sharing every emotional nuance with the world can invite unnecessary opinions and judgments, potentially disrupting the pursuit of tranquility. Epictetus reminds us, we have the power to hold no opinion about a thing and to not let it upset our state of mind. By maintaining the privacy of your emotional landscape, you align with Stoic ideals, mastering your reactions to external stimuli with equanimity. Imagine the power of emotional self-sufficiency, an internal fortress shielded from the storms of external judgments. 6. Philosophical beliefs and convictions. Stoicism encourages individuals to forge their own understanding of life's meaning and ethical principles. While engaging in philosophical discussions is valuable, the core tenets of your beliefs and convictions should remain private. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, emphasized the importance of personal conviction, stating, "Well-being is attained by little and little, and nevertheless is no little thing itself." Keeping your philosophical convictions private preserves the authenticity of your intellectual journey. In the hushed corridors of personal reflection, you forge a deeper connection with Stoic principles. Picture the philosophical journey as a solitary expedition, free from external influences, fostering a true and authentic exploration. 7. Spiritual and religious practices. Our final destination in this Stoic pilgrimage is the recognition of spirituality or religious beliefs. Whether you follow Stoicism as a philosophy or incorporate spiritual practices, Stoicism advises keeping these aspects private. By doing so, you safeguard the sacredness of your spiritual journey from external scrutiny or distortion. Cleanthes, another ancient Stoic philosopher, expressed the Stoic acknowledgement of something beyond individual control. "Lead me, O Zeus, and thou destiny, to that goal long ago to me assigned." Keeping your spiritual or religious practices private allows you to cultivate a personal connection with the divine, free from external influences. Picture a sacred sanctuary for your soul, untouched by external judgments. As our odyssey through the realms of Stoicism concludes, remember that the key lies in balancing the art of sharing with the sanctity of guarding your inner self. If this journey into Stoicism has resonated with you, if you found value in these timeless teachings, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow seekers, and subscribe for more profound insights on mastering the Stoic way of life. Until our next exploration, may the wisdom of Stoicism be your guiding light on the path to tranquility.